It's a great time of the year to make some resolutions to do some things better in 2013. Well, if you have a dog or a cat or other furry friends, the start of a new year can be a great opportunity to be a better pet owner. Veterinarian Dr. Butch Schroyer is here from the Animal Care Clinic to give us some ideas on that. Good to see you.
Good to see you.
Appreciate you coming in.
Glad to.
You gave us a list of some good resolutions that make some sense,
right,
starting with spending a little more time with your pet.
More time with your pet. Of course, we just had the holidays, and hopefully everybody was home with their pets then. But next Tuesday is New Year's Eve, and there's always these resolutions we put out for ourselves. But I would encourage people to include your pet in those resolutions. One of them is to spend more time and train them. They're much more enjoyable, particularly in the dog world, when they do what they're supposed to. If you ask them to sit and they sit, it's great. If you ask them to sit and they just look at you or run off, it's difficult. So one of the things you can put on your resolution that will help build relationship with your pet is do some training classes. Take advantage of that. Another thing that people do many times at the first year, they're going to get healthy. And then when they get healthy, one of the things is weight loss. And weight loss entails exercise. Well, our dogs, in particular our dogs, cats too many times, but need exercise. And what better way to have a great exercise partner that's going to get you out to walk, run, or jog with your dog? The dog doesn't care if it's 2 degrees, 22 degrees, 102 degrees, or raining or snowing. He wants out to go. So he's going to help you get out and keep to your health resolution.
You also say keep current on their health care. What are some recommendations you make in that regard?
Well, there's several different points that we talk very regularly at the clinic on, things I would call the top points. One of them is to see your veterinarian on a regular basis, at least once a year, but really even twice a year is better. Our pets age more rapidly, years like 5 to 7 years. If you see your veterinarian once every 6 months, it's like seeing your doctor every 3 years, and that's a long time for us to go between. So I like to see our pets twice a year. The other part of it is we ought to feed them good quality food. The most expensive is not always the best, but the cheapest is certainly not going to be what you want to use.
Consider a microchip, you say.
Microchips are a way to find them, and you got to put it in before they're lost. If they've already run off, it's too late to get that microchip in. We've had pets as far away as Palm Springs out in California find their way back to Lexington because they were chipped.
All right, some good ideas there, resolutions for
Yes.
you and your pet. And